Hello, hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Sarah.
I'm Matt.
On this Saturday's The Core series, we're exploring another Ole Smoky product. This is the Shine Nog, an eggnog version, I'm assuming?
Yes.
Merry Christmas.
That's right. Merry Christmas.
Sure for sure. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, click that notification bell. We go live every Monday night. Matt, tell us everything about this particular.
So, this beautiful thing was requested by Sarah for Will because she loves him. So, I know I've been saving this for 5 years for us to drink Ole Smoky Shine Nog. As we both know, obviously it's 17.5%. It is a beautiful eggnog liqueur from Ole Smoky, who we do love because they're awesome people. So, like I said, they took the traditional eggnog recipe and added moonshine to it. What else could you possibly do with eggnog? It does contain dairy, so you should refrigerate it after opening it. And it's a winter seasonal flavor from Ole Smoky. Some fun cocktails are the Nog Sipper, the Hot Java Nog, and the Nutmeg Dream, because that doesn't sound dirty at all.
Nutmeg Dreamer with your Shine Nog.
With your Shine
Nog.
Shine Nog.
Steve,
It's a beautiful white bottle.
This is how you do
I
it.
love the little bow they put on here. It's beautiful. You know, Ira bought this for our buddy Bo that works for them from a long, long time ago. Save underneath the TV. Just for Will. Smells like eggnog. 5 years in the making. I couldn't wait to make this video.
So I'm getting like cinnamon toast crunch on this one. This is so cinnamon sweetness.
I'm
A
getting
little bit of brown sugar.
eggnog and alcohol.
That's what I mostly get.
Smell much for
Eggnog and
eggnog.
alcohol.
I don't know eggnog very well.
There's some in the
I
fridge.
love
Go get it.
eggnog. I drink it by the gallon. It's beautiful.
Yeah. Go get it. So you
This,
can
this
compare.
smells like cinnamon spices,
Yeah, which is what's in eggnog. So
Eggnog, cinnamon,
a little bit of
nutmeg.
clove. Okay,
Mhm.
nutmeg.
yeah, definitely.
Maybe even like
Smells
allspice and dairy. Like it's okay. So I mean, it smells like it should.
Mhm.
Yeah. It smells like eggnog, like verbatim like eggnog.
And alcohol.
Mm-hmm.
A little bit of alcohol.
Here we go.
I don't think he likes this one.
Why?
Because it had to show up, Steve.
I mean, it's not sweet, but it's just not good.
No, it tastes like. I mean, I love it. It tastes like eggnog to me.
I
It's-
apologize, Old Smoky. I don't mean that to be offensive towards you. I've never found an eggnog that I enjoy, and this isn't one that
You've never
clicks
found a
it.
cream-based liqueur that you've enjoyed, really.
Okay, that's fair.
To be honest, I
That's
mean
fair.
that's a hard one to come by.
I'm trying to think. What else? We've done what the Java cream and the butter cream. I think the other two cream-based ones we've done from them. But I know you've liked
And
like the
the
apple
Eggo.
pie and the.
I'm gonna take
The
another
other
sip just to try again, but
And see, for
If you
me,
don't like eggnog, yeah.
this is good, but I don't think it has enough of the spices
Okay.
that actual eggnog has. I mean, it tastes like eggnog, but I think it needs to be just deeper with like that nutmeg spice
Yeah.
in there.
And I
maybe
find
a little bit less cinnamon sugar.
all alcoholic pre-made alcoholic eggnogs don't have enough thickness to them because the alcohol cuts down on that.
Yes.
And I like that thickness of eggnog, so I
need
just
that
get it without
heavy
booze
cream.
usually because I just love eggnog.
I do too.
Interesting.
I'm like Homer Simpson drinking eggnog. It should be all
I'm
year
like,
round.
come on Christmas time so I can have my eggnog.
When I was at the store, they had all these other stupid flavors, no regular eggnog. I was not happy. They had like pumpkin spice and vanilla. No, I don't think crap. I want freaking
I
eggnog.
got some-
They had low fat. Like, who wants that crap?
Who wants low fat eggnog? I got
That's
some
what
SoCo
they-
eggnog in there.
I got this Christmas card years ago. It was what low fat. And it has this little two characters like, nobody wants that low fat whippy eggnog. Has to be real fat. It's hilarious. I have to find that card. It's really funny.
It's true. Totally
It's true.
true.
Well, I like it. Good job.
I
I
do
just
too.
wish it was a little bit thicker. Other than that, I think it's really good. I think it tastes good. So good job, Ole Smoky.
You're supposed
No
to drink that in
surprise.
champagne.
Is that the
So-
one you're supposed to drink in champagne?
It's the hedonism, right?
Yeah. We want to see what that tastes like with champagne.
Supposed to drink that in champagne.
All right, I'll have some shivas.
I'm supposed to drink that one in champagne too. We have the other Chivas up there, but we can
I'll do the Old Forester. It's all good.
go for it.
I
I'm supposed to drink
I'll
that
find something
champagne.
I will find something else to toast out with because it ain't gonna be that.
Reaching
Yeah,
for a
what do you
bottle
figure?
right
The good
All
news is that it was on the website today. Old Smoky apparently in the last couple of months has come out with like 20 new freaking things. I'm
Oh
like,
my
holy
God.
crap! All these new whiskey flavors and new moonshines, and I'm like,
This
Bo, we
one
need to
has
talk.
a
We need some more.
butteriness to it,
Yeah, it's nice.
like real butter, not that fake shit, tub butter shit. Real butter, creaminess.
Yeah, it's that good Kerrygold Irish butter.
Yes.
The good
Thank
stuff.
you. All right, that's what you need to go for, Steve A. Okay.
Eh,
Oh, your
no,
bar.
yeah, it wasn't sweet.
No, but you didn't like it.
Oh, that's fair.
You liked the other one.
I did. Yeah.
One who was like, oh, this one will do it.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
liked it.
Yeah.
All right. You still made the face. Okay. I got the face.
Okay.
It's true.
All right. This is good stuff. If you like that kind of thing.
Yeah,
Good
for
job,
sure.
Old Smoky. Again.
Mm.
Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell. Come hang out with us live on Monday nights and check out the Patreon for behind the scenes fun. And until next time,
Keep on crocheting for better liquids in your glass. Cheers. I like the James Owen beat.
They have a new Popcorn Sutton edition that's a distillery only that's coming out too. Smokies Shine Nog.
Shine.
Nog. That doesn't sound horrible.
Shine Nog.
Dirty.
This is the what shine? What is it?
Shine Nog.
Shine Nog.
All right, as Will is now bent over, and oh, they froze. Darn. Guess we'll wait till they come back. This is a fun time. Dooby dooby doo 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 doo. Alrighty then. Oh, we'll can edit out wherever he wants of this, and I guess they'll be back in a minute. There they come. Here we go. It's good times. Good times for Wills and edits.
Yeah, so I think our internet like totally vetoed this one.
Yeah, it's funny. His is the position Will's in. He's like this, and it's frozen. It's funny. He's in like, oh god, how to drink this?
I don't want to
I
do
don't
it.
know how much-
I don't want to.
No,
Do it
I
if
don't
you
know.
wanna do it
Did
right.
you hear any of this stuff at all, or no? Should I repeat all of it again?
I suppose.
I
'Cause it
guess.
would
All
really
right.
suck
Oh,
if it wasn't there.
Uh-oh, they froze up again? Son of a bitch. I know if I was a hot dog, I'd eat myself, because that's what Harry Carey would do. It'd be a great time. I'd put on mustard and relish, and I'd be delicious. When they come back, we'll hopefully get to finish the next 2 seconds of this, and hopefully this will work out just fine.